Hey there, so let's dive into the problem we're tackling today. I had some processes running on my Windows, but suddenly my system restarted, causing a bunch of data to be lost. Now, the big question is, what caused Windows to restart? I have a suspicion that it might be related to a Windows update, but I need to find out for sure. Let's get to the bottom of this mystery together. Let's talk about the solution now. To find out the reason for a reboot, we can use a couple of commands. In PowerShell, you can use the following command: Get-WinEvent filter hash table at logname equals system ID 411074666605 format list ID level display name time created message. This command will help us dig into the events and hopefully shed some light on what caused the sudden restart. Continuing with the solution, for those who prefer using command, there's another handy command to uncover the mystery. You can run wevtutal QE system Q, system event ID 41, or event ID equal 174, or event ID 6 or 6, or 5, or event ID equal 6008, C100 F text, RD true. This command will fetch the relevant system events that might hold the key to understanding why Windows decided to restart unexpectedly. Time to put on our detective hats and get to the bottom of this. In summary, we've explored different commands that can help us uncover the root cause of a sudden Windows restart. By using these commands, we can analyze system events and hopefully pinpoint what triggered the reboot. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the like button and drop a comment with your thoughts or any funny computer mishaps you've encountered. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy troubleshooting.